Here we have a lovely little Webley Junior. On the left side of the pistol, it says the Webley Junior .177, Webley and Scott Limited, Birmingham 4, made in England. Well, Birmingham 4 means it was pre-1958, so it helps us age this pistol. It has the bait-like grips. The earlier pistols, the pre-war ones, had tin plate grips. So just a rough estimate, without checking out the batch code, we think about 1950s. It has a very strong spring, very accurate little pistol, and I think it does about 350 feet per second. A lovely little gun, and for little money. What's your thoughts on this pistol, eh?